What's up, guys? Okay, on my never-ending quest to try these turtle wax wipes out, I have these, the Renew and Restore wipes. We're gonna try them on this Escalade. This has a lot dirtier headlights than the last car I did. Actually, let me get some alcohol real quick. We'll wipe it off the proper way. You're supposed to prep your headlights when you do this with just rubbing them clean with alcohol. And I didn't do that on the Silverado last time, if you guys saw that. Let's clean this off with some alcohol, get all the initial, just like that's just like all the grime and stuff. Okay, so after wiping, we have that, and then show them that other headlight. So right now, that's kind of like the before of the other headlight. So you can kind of get a gist of what it's looking like before. So again, these are the Renew and Restore wipes. All it is, just a wipe. We're gonna unfold it a little bit here, like this. And we're gonna see what it does to this headlight, which was a little bit rougher than that Silverado I did. And we are just gonna scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub and see what happens.
Is there any grit in those?
Yeah.
A little bit of grit?
Yep.
Yeah.
You can see the stuff coming off onto it. So it has a mild abrasive in it, and I grabbed 3. I think I grabbed 2, but we have more out here. We'll probably end up like using 2 or 3 on each headlight here. And try this out and see. Okay, so we're gonna see. I kind of stopped at this middle line right here. We're gonna see what that does once we wipe it off, see what it looks like, see if it looks any better. And just a lot of elbow grease for this, but it is pretty cool how simple it is. Let me buff this off and we'll see what we got. Yeah. It's amazing what these little freakers can do. You can see the bottom half if you come like get it to where you can see a really good angle of that, like that line. Here, back up a little bit like that, and just kind of pivot around it and see if you can see like a spot where it's more hazy. To us, you can see this a lot clearer than this and this. So let's get another one and we'll keep going. We'll see what we can make happen here. And again, these are at Costco. I got mine at Costco. They were like $9 a freaking box, which is super good deal. A box comes with like 12 wipes, so that's like, I don't know, 50 cents a wipe. Look at that, what came off just from, that's after alcohol wiping. So this is definitely, the abrasives are working and getting a lot of stuff off for sure. It's just a lot of elbow grease you got to do. But this looks definitely way better. We'll do a side by side with the other headlight here in a second. I'll have my cameraman Van pivot around and show you that. Let's get this cleaned off with the towel. Okay, now show them this headlight and then show them the other one. This is an after right here. There you go. And then show them the other one. And this is what we were working with. The exact same.
Night and day, yeah.
Yeah. And get back a little bit, get like a.
That's crazy. I thought
like
there was
yeah, there you go.
I thought there would be more damage like
Kinda
on the inside
down
of it,
a little bit
you know?
with it. And use your thumb to kind of. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, again, they try and get that angle just like that on the other one. So you can see how hazy that is.
Yeah, I thought like the sun damage went in this on the inside of these.
No.
But no,
You can see how clear that is. Now that's just with 2 wipes. We could probably do a 3rd wipe and make it even better, but we're gonna do 2 wipes on the other one. We don't need to do that on camera, but you can see, and it leaves a nice kind of like, feel that with your fingers without I can't feel with my gloves. It leaves like a slick surface on it. Does it feel slicker? So they're not quite like brand new, but this is a definite marked improvement over what it was. You're probably not gonna get brand new looking headlights with these, but for $10 for a big ass pack at Costco, it's pretty crazy what they can do. So I just wanted to make this video. I did my Escalade with these, and it wasn't, or no, I did Lexus with these, I did a Silverado with these, and now I'm doing this. This is the worst set of headlights I've done with them, so you can see a more drastic thing. I'll try and find more as I go, and I'll keep testing these things out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.